Say goodbye to wrinkles and sagging facial skin after washing it with coconut oil and baking soda. This powerful combo is very useful in reducing wrinkles and for getting deep into your skin pores. So, we can easily say that it's very useful and beneficial in preventing acne and blackheads. When these two powerful ingredients are mixed, they work very good in treating acne, redness, scars and removing excess dirt from your skin pores. And they also remove all the dead skin cells off the surface of your skin. Just try this combo and you will be amazed by the results. People use this extremely useful ingredient for everything, from making homemade baked goods, as a polishing agent, deodorizing agent and for cleaning purposes. The name of this remarkable ingredient is sodium bicarbonate, or also known as baking soda. Baking soda is the perfect alternative for many harsh and toxic cleaning products, and the best of all is that baking soda always provides excellent results. People also use this amazing ingredient to make homemade cosmetic and beauty products, teeth whitener, all-natural deodorant, etc. And, as we mentioned before, this ingredient is also very effective and beneficial in treating acne. The most common reason for skin breakouts and acne appearance is the pH imbalance. So, you can use baking soda to restore the pH balance and to prevent skin problems like acne. Let me just say a few words about coconut oil, and then we are going to show you how to combine these two ingredients and make the most powerful deep cleanser. Coconut oil is super healthy ingredient. It has antibacterial, healing and moisturizing properties, which are very beneficial for nourishing and soothing your skin. Here's how to make the most powerful deep cleanser. Just follow the simple instructions. Baking soda and coconut oil, deep cleanser. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of organic extra virgin coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of aluminum-free baking soda. Directions: here's what you need to do. All you have to do is mix all the ingredients in a small bowl. And always make enough just for one treatment. Mix the ingredients until you get a thick paste and apply it on your face using circular motions. Then, you should leave it on for 5 minutes and rinse it off with warm water. And again, massage your facial skin with circular motions. Dry your face with a clean towel. And you don't need to apply any skin moisturizer because the coconut oil will hydrate your skin. You will be amazed by the results. Your skin will be smooth and soft. As you can see, this homemade deep cleanser is very simple and easy to make, and all you need is 2 ingredients, which you probably already have in your kitchen cabinet. Try it and share your opinion in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.